Welcome to Wonderslate. Buy smart eBooks from the best publishers. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
Today's quiz is The Living World. Question number 1. What is present in all living beings? Option A. Awareness of surroundings. Option B. Genetic material. Option C. Metabolic machinery. Option D. All of these. The correct answer is Option D. All of these. Question number 2. Which of the following is defining characteristic of living organisms? Option A. Growth. Option B. Reproduction. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Response to external stimuli. The correct answer is Option D. Response to external stimuli. Question number 3. Among the following, increase in body mass can be taken as criterion for growth. Option A. In living organisms. Option B. In non-living objects. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option C. Both A and B. In living organisms and in non-living objects, increase in body mass can be taken as criterion for growth. Question number 4. Match the column 1 and 2 and choose the correct combination from the options given. Column I, column 2. Column I. Column 2. A. Fungi. I. Asexual spore. B. Amoeba. 2. Binary fission. C. Hydra and yeast. 3. True regeneration. D. Plumeria. 4. Budding. Option A. A. I. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Option B. A. I. B. 2. C. 4. D. 3. Option C. A. 2. B. I. C. 4. D. 3. Option D. None are correct. The correct answer is Option B. A. I. B. 2. C. 4. D. 3. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks. In A. Growth by cell division occurs continuously throughout their lifespan. In B. This growth is seen only up to a certain age. Option A. A plant, B animal. Option B. A animal, B plant. Option C. A prokaryotes, B eukaryotes. Option D. A eukaryotes, B prokaryotes. The correct answer is Option A. A plant, B animal. Question number 6. Biology is the science of Option A. Biome. Option B. Life forms. Option C. Living processes. Option D. Both B and C. The correct answer is Option D. Both B and C. Biology is the science of life forms and living processes. Biology is the story of life on Earth. Biology is the story of evolution of living organisms on Earth. Question number 7. Which of the following organisms are multiplied by fragmentation? 1. Filamentous fungi. 2. All algae. 3. Protonema of mosses. Option A. 1 and 2. Option B. 1, 2 and 3. Option C. 2 and 3. Option D. 1 and 3. The correct answer is Option D. 1 and 3. The fungi, the filamentous algae, not all algae, the protonema of mosses, all easily multiply by fragmentation. Question number 8. Twin characteristics of growth are Option A. Increase in length. Option B. Increase in width. Option C. Increase in mass and number. Option D. All of these. The correct answer is Option C. Increase in mass and number. Increase in mass and increase in number of individuals are twin characteristics of growth. Question number 9. Non-living organisms also grow if we take increase in body mass as a criterion for growth. Mountains, boulders and sand mounds do grow. In non-living objects, growth is from Option A. Outside. Option B. Inside. Option C. Both. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Option A. Outside. In non-living objects, growth is by accumulation of material on the surface. Question number 10. The most obvious and technically complicated feature of all living organisms is their ability to Option A. Reproduce. Option B. Control cellular metabolism. Option C. Grow. Option D. Sense their surroundings. The correct answer is Option D. Sense their surroundings. Question number 11. Select incorrect statement regarding reproduction. Option A. It is formation of new individual of the similar kind. Option B. It is required for perpetuation of population. Option C. Reproduction is essential for survival of the individual. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Option C. Reproduction is essential for survival of the individual. Question number 12. The sum total of all the chemical reactions occurring in our body is called Option A. Anabolism. Option B. Catabolism. Option C. Metabolism. Option D. Carboxylation. The correct answer is Option C. Metabolism. Question number 13. Which one of the following features can be said to be a true defining feature of living beings without any exception? Option A. They can digest their food. Option B. All of them can reproduce. Option C. They can regenerate. Option D. They can respond to external stimuli. The correct answer is Option D. They can respond to external stimuli. Living organisms can sense their surroundings and respond to the external stimuli, which could be physical, chemical or biological. This characteristic, unlike non-living objects, is shown by all organisms ranging from prokaryotes to complex eukaryotes. Hence, consciousness is said to be defining property of living organisms. Question number 14. How many of the following properties are the defining characteristic of living organisms? Growth, reproduction, metabolism, cellular organization, consciousness. Option A. 2. Option B. 3. Option C. 4. Option D. 5. The correct answer is Option B. 3. Metabolism, cellular organization and consciousness are the defining property of living organism without exception. Growth and reproduction are not the defining property as they have certain. Question number 15. Regeneration can be observed in Option A. Fungi. Option B. Planaria. Option C. Hydra. Option D. Both B and C. The correct answer is Option D. Both B and C. Question number 16. The clear usage of the term growth and reproduction is not therein. Option A. Majority of higher animals and plants. Option B. Unicellular and multicellular eukaryotic organisms. Option C. Single-celled organisms. Option D. Advanced eukaryotic organisms. The correct answer is Option C. Single-celled organisms. Question number 17. The in vitro metabolic reactions mean Option A. Reactions occur in laboratory conditions. Option B. Reactions occur in cell-free system. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Option C. Both A and B. Question number 18. Choose the incorrect statement. Option A. Extrinsic growth is characteristic of non-living object. Option B. A multicellular organism grows by increase in mass only. Option C. Metabolic reaction can be demonstrated in a cell-free system. Option D. First step of taxonomy is characterization and identification. The correct answer is option B. A multicellular organism grows by increase in mass only. Question number 19. Growth in living beings occurs due to synthesis of option A. Protoplasmic substances. Option B. Cytoplasmic substances. Option C. Apoplasmic substances. Option D. Both A and C. The correct answer is option D. Both A and C. Question number 20. Reproduction is the characteristic feature of living organisms. Which of the following cannot reproduce? Option A. Amoeba and paramecium. Option B. Fungi and filamentous algae. Option C. Humans and aves. Option D. Mules and worker bees. The correct answer is option D. Mules and worker bees. Question number 21. Metabolic reactions can be demonstrated outside the body in cell-free systems. An isolated metabolic reaction outside the body of an organism, performed in a test tube is option A. Living thing. Option B. Non-living thing. Option C. Neither living nor non-living thing but a living reaction. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Neither living nor non-living thing but a living reaction. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.